Dual 7-in monitors. Pyle's PL71PHB features two high-quality 7 inches TFLCD monitors for backseat headrests. Each has a widescreen 1440 by 234 resolution, response time of 25 milliseconds, contrast ratio of 300:1 and brightness of 350 candelas per meter 3. 160 degrees L/R, 160 degrees viewing angle. The monitors are adjustable and can be installed by simply replacing the headrests. The viewing angle is 160 degrees L/R, 160 degrees, and it also comes with a wireless remote that even works from the front seat for more convenience. Built-in speakers. Each monitor comes with its own built-in speaker and a set of stereo audio inputs. They even have headphone jacks, if you want to use the monitors independently. They can connect to in-DVD player, video game, iPod and Blu-ray. Wireless IR transmitter. Each monitor comes with a built-in IR transmitter for wireless headphones, which lets you watch movies with IR-compatible wireless headphones. There's also a built-in monitor control that lets you tweak the settings. 4.7 inches - 7.5 inches adjustable mounting. The vehicle headrest mount display player can be installed to car models that fit the 4.7 inches - 7.5 adjustable mounting posts. They already come with everything needed: power cables, wiring harness and remote control. Pyle headrest pair adjustable monitors. Ideal for screen watching by multiple passengers conveniently while traveling. Top reviews from the United States. Happy grandsons, happy grandparents. Great item. We bought a new headset with built-in TV. This product was the finishing touch. Absolutely great, the boys love them.